Hello guys, good afternoon. Today I would like to discuss about Microsoft OneDrive and Microsoft SharePoint. Actually, those who are using Microsoft product, that means Microsoft MS Office, Microsoft uh, Teams, Microsoft SharePoint, OneDrive, OneNote, and others, different type of Microsoft feature. Those who are used to about Microsoft apps such as Outlook, OneDrive, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, SharePoint, Teams, Yammer, Steam, List, Kaijala, Dell, Calendar, Power Apps, Soy, Planner, and so on. There are many types of Microsoft apps, and if you are familiar to Microsoft apps such as Microsoft OneDrive and Microsoft SharePoint, this is two types of product in Microsoft and very useful and very important for corporate business, corporate office. For your work, smooth operation, this two type of is very much important because of your data need to be uploaded in cloud. So we can upload data through cloud, and we can keep data in safe in Microsoft OneDrive or Microsoft SharePoint. Microsoft OneDrive is one type of such as Google Drive, okay, such as others Drive, Adobe Cloud, and others. And SharePoint is also one kind of cloud space, and you can share data from the cloud space, and multiple user work at a time in a single file or single Excel file, single Word, PowerPoint, and any file you can work at a time anywhere, any types of file from your PC or another PC, remote PC. If you have internet connection in your PC, you can work live data and automatically update in cloud. So today I discuss about OneDrive and SharePoint because of this is two product is very important for corporate business, corporate culture, and for your data keep secure, and for your data preserve for future use, and for your data what I say, for your data actually need to work multiple user at a time, so we can use OneDrive and SharePoint. Actually, when we work in OneDrive and SharePoint, we face some problem or some difficulties. So which type of things you have to maintain or you have to follow for working Microsoft Teams and SharePoint, I discuss later. First, how can we get Microsoft OneDrive? This is a Microsoft OneDrive icon. For getting a Microsoft OneDrive, you need a Microsoft license, because of Microsoft, without Microsoft license you can't connect the Microsoft OneDrive. You need Microsoft Basic, Microsoft Standard, Microsoft Apps, and other different type of license in provide from Microsoft. If you need to OneDrive, you need minimum a OneDrive license such as Microsoft Business Plan, okay, Business Basic. If you purchase a Business Basic license from Microsoft, you will get OneDrive, also get a Teams, also get a other services from Microsoft. I have a Business Basic license, and I will get the follow apps. These apps: Outlook, OneDrive, Word, Excel, SharePoint, Teams, Steam, Yammer, List, Kaijala, Planner. So this type of apps I will get through this license. Say, how can we connect Microsoft OneDrive? Just first I want to log out from my OneDrive for your understanding. This is now I have no connect with Microsoft OneDrive. Okay, for Microsoft OneDrive need to connect. You have to go this here. You have to need OneDrive apps. It is automatically installed when you install in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Microsoft OneDrive is automatically installed. Okay, when we open Microsoft OneDrive need a license, needs a mail address. I have a mail address, and it is licensed by Microsoft as a GR, sorry, mistake, as a GR Shagor IT at. I have a license this mail address for Microsoft sign in. Okay, it is automatically sign in through this mail address. It needs 1 or 2 minutes for loading. I need to select a path. I have a existing path, so I need to select that type of that path. That means that location. Okay, my location is OneDrive. No, it is not my location. My location is different places maybe. Where is my location? This is my location. Okay, this is my Microsoft OneDrive location. I can select this folder, and OneDrive folder already exists. Yes, I have a OneDrive folder, that is I use this folder. Okay, next. Loading, it's need 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, next. Okay, now I am connected with Microsoft OneDrive through a Microsoft OneDrive apps. Okay, the file is synchronized. Okay, connected. When I open a file from Microsoft OneDrive, say I have a file here. I want to open a Excel file. Say this is one of Excel file. Say get push file. Okay, this is a OneDrive file. When you work in OneDrive in Microsoft apps, through apps, you need to follow some basic things, because of otherwise you did not follow these basic things, you do not work here, because of it's happened some issue. First you have to know that you are connected with internet. Yes, I have connected to internet, and I can find Google page and others page. That is thing, that means I have connected to Microsoft, I have connected to internet. Second thing, if you have a Microsoft apps, that means Microsoft 365 apps, when you open in a Microsoft product such as Excel, Word and PowerPoint, you will see that for the cloud file, that autosave, if you find this autosave on, you think that your file is okay, then there is a license to my name. If you think that the license has some issue or some error, you do not work in Microsoft Excel in OneDrive file, because of if you work on that time, your file do not upload in OneDrive cloud. Okay, so now if I work this file, it is automatically saved. Okay, automatically saved. When I close this folder, it will already saved in cloud. Maybe some issues because of my file, some file are already synchronized, and I have worked a folder name getpush. Okay, this is getpush folder. I have edit some cell or some row. Okay, Mars, color, and it is automatically saved. I close this folder, then I see by clicking OneDrive app that file is uploaded. Now I will go to my web in OneDrive. Where is my OneDrive? There has no OneDrive. We'll go to the more apps. This is OneDrive. Okay, and I work in a file name getpush. I am searching the getpush. This is here. Then where is getpush? This is getpush. What I edit in Excel apps, this is automatically uploaded in cloud, and I can get the file up as usual from cloud. That means web page. That means we can see that the file is uploaded. Now I check by stop my internet. Then what happened when I work in cloud file? That means OneDrive file. my Ethernet is disabled. Now I have no connection with internet. Now I go to that file when I work last time. The file name was getPass. Now I open this file. I have no internet connection, but here showing autosave. Now I work here. Okay. Okay, the file is should be saved in internet. Okay. Now I on the Ethernet because of I need to connect the internet. Okay, now I go to the file. No, I upload it because of on that time my PC has no internet. I work the Excel file, that is why file is not updated. Okay. Now I go to the again that folder. I have entered some edit. Okay. Now it is saved. Now I go to cloud, then refresh the file. Must be the update will. Okay, now this is update will get from cloud. Okay, so you need to remember, need to be aware that your internet connection is okay because of it is cloud file, it is cloud space. Otherwise, internet you do not update the file, and if you update file do not save in cloud. Okay, this is OneDrive. So be sure that your PC or your laptop has internet connection, and be sure that your autosave is on. The upper part of the Excel autosave is on, and your file has no error, and your Excel is licensed by your name. That means those mail address through by a license from Microsoft. Okay, this something you have to follow when you work in OneDrive folder, Microsoft OneDrive folder. Okay, you can work through web in OneDrive folder. Okay, this is my OneDrive folder. I can upload any file through my computer. Okay, this is upload step. I have uploaded a folder name step. It will upload only 1 or 2 minutes. It is already uploaded. I have searched that file. Where is it? The file name was step. Okay, refresh the folder. I am refreshing. Then I will search the folder. That folder is updated. This step is uploaded. Okay, I upload from this web, and I can work through web browser on any cloud file, OneDrive file. Okay, and I will see this file that it is automatically go to my apps. That is, yes, it has already come in apps. Okay, that means if I edit in a particular file in OneDrive apps, it will automatically update it in cloud, and if we any folder update through this browser, it will automatically update it by the apps. Okay, be sure that your OneDrive is connected with this network. Okay, otherwise if you do not sign in OneDrive, you do not work in OneDrive because of you do not connect with this cloud file. Now I will discuss about Microsoft SharePoint. Microsoft SharePoint is Microsoft SharePoint is a one kind of cloud space, and you can keep data in cloud, you can edit data this cloud, you can share data through this cloud, you can change modification and anything you can. And you can work multiple people at a time in a particular file. SharePoint has some extra feature that you can share the file anywhere, any people, through any mail address. People can get this file easily. This is my SharePoint. Okay. Need more time for opening the SharePoint, and you will get this SharePoint through this OneDrive. I go to my OneDrive share folder, I will get that SharePoint file. Here are some SharePoint file. It needs more time for loading. There are some SharePoint files that people are shared to me from the share drive. Okay, it need to some time load it. Okay, I go to the SharePoint again. SharePoint. Maybe internet has some issue, that is why I do not enter this SharePoint file. Okay, I'll go to my SharePoint apps. I have also SharePoint apps. Actually, okay, if someone share a file or folder through this SharePoint, you will get the SharePoint file through your OneDrive. Okay, you go to the OneDrive web, allow the pop-up. Okay, let me check my SharePoint. This is my SharePoint. Okay, need more time for opening. When someone share any file from this SharePoint, you will get the SharePoint file through your OneDrive. Okay, some file have been already shared to me. I will go to check that file through my OneDrive. Okay, I will automatically shortcut that file from this SharePoint. This is the SharePoint file, and this icon showing that this file is SharePoint, and shortcut the file through this OneDrive. Okay, this is my share file. This is my share file. That file already shared. This people already shared this file. Some people already shared this file because it is already shared. ICT2 already shared. This Epilion group already shared this shared file. This file automatically, when add to shortcut, it automatically go to OneDrive folder. Okay, now I will see that file through this my OneDrive folder. This is my OneDrive apps. This icon showing that it is add to shortcut through SharePoint to OneDrive. Okay, I will enter one file, that go to a IT register folder, then open. Previous time I have discussed the OneDrive. Now I am discussing about SharePoint file. SharePoint file is almost as like as OneDrive file. You have to follow that your PC is now connected in internet, and your file Excel auto save is already on, and you have a license, and it is licensed by your name that is provided through the Microsoft, and your OneDrive is connected. Okay, this is something you have to follow for working the OneDrive. Okay, if you update here, it is automatically update IT register folder. I have updated some DD in IT register section. Then I will go to my web which folder. I will check again. It is COICT. Okay, then I go to browser COICT general. Then I go to IT register. Yes, it is automatically uploaded. Okay, that file I have get from this web browser. Okay, SharePoint file is almost same to work as OneDrive file, but SharePoint file is shared by someone from this Microsoft cloud space, and OneDrive is your own space that is you purchased from this Microsoft, from the Microsoft. Okay, Now I will discuss that how to share a file from your OneDrive to the other people. Say I want to share a file from my OneDrive. This is my OneDrive apps. I want to share this book one to my Gmail address. Okay, this is share. Right button on the file, then go to share. Okay. Now I am enter here my Gmail address. Okay, there has a two option. What kind of weight you share can edit. If I select can edit, people can edit the folder. If I can view, people only view and copy the folder. Okay, I can edit. I am provide permission to edit. Send. Okay, link has already been sent. Okay, now I am going to my gmail.com. Then I will get a link. Actually the link is not come yet. Spam, I can check from spam. I have got the mail in spam. Okay, this folder I have shared. Okay, I am just opening the folder, sorry, the file. Yes, I have shared my OneDrive a folder named booked through my Gmail address. It is shared. Then I edit that folder. Okay, and close the folder. Then I am checking that it is updated through my OneDrive or not. Okay, now I am going to my OneDrive and folder name was OneDrive. Folder name was book 1. Yes, it is already updated. So there are a lot of facility to work in OneDrive and SharePoint folder. If you shared any file from OneDrive to anywhere, any people, any email address, if he can edit the file, you will automatically get the update on this file. Okay, this is some issue to work and the facility of OneDrive. And if you need to first something about to work OneDrive, okay, this is the basic thing and basic idea about OneDrive. Next video will discuss about another topics. Now I am leave from my video. Okay, goodbye everybody.